Good morning, all trader, and welcome back with Nebraska 7 TV. And today is February 25th, 2022. So we can tell all the markets getting green because it's my personally what I think a lot of traders on the world now just buying U.S. stock because whatever happened is U.S. the most stable economy in this world. And everything, that's why it's everything, even though in a special situation, special time, but the stock's still green. But people can tell, like yesterday, like 2 days ago, on the markets, the whole country lost $14,000 billion, but in one day they just getting back. And a lot of big tech companies getting back, like, it's not count Facebook because Facebook not trustable anymore. That's why it's not count the big tech companies, especially Google, Amazon, and Tesla, American Airlines. All the aviation companies now they will raise up their price like 3 months more. Like after June and July, the airplane tickets will be rate really high because of the gas. And now we can get the long term, a long call butterfly. And whoever, that's what I'm talking about in option, and I will explain this later. In option chart, this chart is for option traders. And we know more a little about ETH, Ethereum. So they kind of gang up a little bit. ETH is 41.3%, and the cap is $728.6 billion on the market, but sometimes it ranks up around 750, even though to 800, but when they drop them back. But anyway, it still gains a lot. And 17,263 tokens. That's mean a lot of people buy that. That's the second stable crypto on the market sectors now. Because the most important one is Bitcoin. That's what everyone knows. Like a few years ago, Bitcoin just around 10 grand and is right now over 30, and sometimes it jumped to 60. And this one is safe. This fell from 68.9, is almost $69,000. And what you should know, S&P 500 yesterday, when the close of is gain of 1.5%, and Dow Jones gain of like 0.28%, and it's a lot of stocks gain of like minimum around 0.5 to some of them gain up to more than 10%, and especially technology. And please, what I want to say is just stay away from research stocks because you should not support for who didn't do the good job and friendly. Yeah, I just don't try to use bad word, or just keep the nice peaceful, and please praise for you can and people you can. And now we can look a little bit. Gold was a lot. It's almost $2,000 yesterday, and now they dropped like $20, and they dropped back to 1,906. They ranged so much. Yesterday, a lot of people buy gold and gas because if the wars happen, and gas and gold will be the main thing. Because if you get the money, like people can draw it, like especially from a lot of bank in Russia. And it's my personally like should not touch any stock in Europe right now, because the European stock is not as safe at all. That's why a lot of people just come back and buy the US stock. Especially Tesla, we can see almost $40, like $36 getting up. Just after hour yesterday, that's been 4.8%. That's pretty good. And Apple to 0.67, like 1%. And NVDA 6%, Microsoft 5%, AMD 6%, Amazon 4%. Amazon 4%, that's a lot. And Facebook 4% is not many people trust Facebook anymore because it's stare you and sell you information. It's not something we trust about. Baba, like Alibaba Group, used to over $200. Now it's just 108. So that's mean they lost 50% of their deal. That's 50% went down. And this is the option chart if you buy Wells Fargo, WFC. And the price and the contracts will be in March 18, 2022. Like the first one is $45, and the next one is $8.52. And especially when you call the math loss, I don't think it'll be lost on the bank, and especially American Bank. And that Wells Fargo is the most on the top 10 quality financial currency system. Yeah, they hold currencies too. And I think that'd be the most. It's pretty good. So anyway, we're going to focus on the first stock today, Sophie, and we keep them closer to 10. You can buy some at V1 right now because anyway they will. Because this one you sell out about 11 or 12. If like 2 days ago they went down to like about $8, and a lot of my students like in a higher level they caught that. And I think last week and this week a lot of people making profits, and you can tell this one highest one is 24.9 and lowest is 8, and right now it's 10. I mean, I stay in the low area. Well, you can close your eyes and buy it. That's won't hurt anything. And especially the cap is 8.3. It was 7.9. And like they're more than 10, but right now 8. Like range from 8 to 9 is good enough. It's been 11 years on the market, and especially this American company, and it's the headquarters in California, and over 2,200 people work for them right now. That's not that bad. Honestly, when the company hit 2,000 people, that's good enough, and some of the company just over 100 people. That's more than things. I mean, it's thinking change, but. So the second one is CHPT. It is Chartport Company. Chartport Company used to be $20-some, like a blink. And a lot of those Chartport companies right now, they have to use a lot of money to build a lot of stations. It's right now keep them around to 13 or 12. That's pretty good and convenient. And that's the most safety, can give you high profits. So the highest one is 38.5 and lowest one 11.2, and now is 13. I mean, that's pretty good deal. Let's stay in the bottom. I can tell, I didn't draw the map yet, but I can tell it stay in the V-line area. So the market cap $4.5, $4.6 billion. I mean, that's still $1 billion company. And since it's 2007 to now is like more than 800 people, but plus I know the contractor in Chartport is like to 10%, because when you pay the contractor, you don't have to pay for the W2 benefits. That's smart CEO. I like this one. And thank you very much. Have a good day, everyone. Please keep update the episode on the video today. Thank you.